I was out getting some brake cleaner and grease for the CV axle, and Cameron got the clutch out while I was gone. So there's no video of that, but here's the clutch down here. It's actually not the worst, but it's definitely pretty worn. There's some spots you can see on here that are pretty worn out, but you know, as it does.
And clutch because I report that launching itself.
So, I'll take you underneath here real quick and we can look at the flywheel. Yeah. Alright, so here is the flywheel. All these dangly bits in there. This flywheel actually looks pretty dang good, if you ask me. It's not the worst by any means. Definitely gonna wipe it off, but there's no cracking. There's not any real scoring that I can see. It's definitely a little rusty, but you know, as it do. We're gonna climb out of there. We're gonna go clean the trans. So we got the clutch kit here. We're gonna do this. So here is the old clutch and pressure plate, and we got the throwout bearing. All of these things are gonna be replaced. So we've got the alignment tool, comes with the throwout bearing, and then we've got the goods, some pressure plate, which we probably need to clean off. And lastly, that new clutch boy. There's like a side-by-side comparison. Got the new and the old. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Just ignore it. It'll be fine. So usually with these pressure plates, you should wipe them off with some brake cleaning stuff, just in case they've got grease on there. Goes to town. That's ready to go in. I'll meet you under this one. The clutch alignment tool. Put this bad boy up here. Go. What?
You knew which way it went, right?
The clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of tricky figuring out which direction the pressure plate went.
The pressure plate?
Or the clutch plate.
Oh, it's, so you know how it's like curved on the outside?
Yeah.
That goes to the forks, or like the outside of the plate.
Right, I mean, I'm trying to figure out like which orientation it sits on there.
Oh. Yeah, I guess I didn't take that into account. I thought it was just the same.
No, it's, I think I got it. There's 3 little pins that line up to these 3 holes, so I'm guessing that's...
So yeah, those are aligning things, yeah.
Right, but there's 3 different ways it could go on.
Oh. Are you looking at the old one?
No, the old one's on the ground, kind of by your feet. Actually, I don't know where
over
you're
there.
standing.
Yeah. Here, let me hand it to you.
Okay, I think I got it. looks the same. I'm assuming that it's not directional, like there's not one specific way it goes on. I think it can go on any of the 3 ways.
Oh no.
Hopefully.
Is that leaking out?
Hey, can you hand me the bag of bolts for this that are like...
Bag of bolts? Where?
I think I set them up there.
Oh.
Did I bring the bag down
Do you
here?
need the lube?
I just need the bag of bolts.
Here's the bag of bolts and some Loctite.
Perfect, that's what I need. Do you want me to put Loctite on these?
You could if you want to.
Okay. I'm gonna put...
Chef's preference.
Ah, nice. I'm gonna put Loctite on them then.
Okay.
Just put in some Loctite. Just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get these out of the way a little bit. Always a start putting these bolts in. I don't know what the best position for you guys is. Sorry about it. So, everywhere you read recommends that you replace these bolts, or not. It should be fine. It'll be fine. Now we get to go back through with our Tor-Que wrench. I've got this set to 18 foot-pounds per the manufacturer's recommendation. There's that one. Alright, now I'm going to go back over one more time, just make sure they're all still torqued to the right spec. Yes. Last but not least, yes. All right, there is let-in clutch. Now I can pull that guy out, and that is a situated clutch. Boy. I'm actually gonna leave this in here for now until we get ready to install the transmission. So yeah, there's that, all up in there. So for aligning this guy, there is 3 pins if you're following along at home. There's a pin right here, a pin up here, and a pin back here. And when you're aligning the clutch pressure plate, clutch plate dude, there's 3 little holes that perfectly fit those studs. And then obviously these 6 bigger holes will line up with the bolt holes, or the threaded holes on the flywheel, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, there's that bad boy on there.